Nananatiling kalmado at kumpiyansa si Chris Ross sa kabila ng pagkatalo ng San Miguel Beermen sa Game 1 ng PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup Semifinals laban sa Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. Matapos maputol ang 10-game winning streak ng Beermen sa score na 99-90 na pagkatalo, ginit ni Ross na bahagi lamang ito ng mahabang best of 7 series at hindi dahilan para matarantang defending champions. Ayon sa veteranong guard, ramdam ng kupunan ang epekto ng mahabang pahinga bago ang semifinals. Bagay na kanyang tinukoy bilang kalawang na kailangang maalis sa susunod na laro. Hindi anya ito usapin ng pagkawala ng sistema, kundi timing at reading matapos ang halos 10 araw na hindi paglalaro.
It's a series. It happens. We won 10 straight. There's a little complacency, but there's also a little rust. I think we haven't played in 10 days. There was some rust there, but we'll be fine. We just gotta shake the rust off, stick to what we do, and then we'll be fine.
Muli namang binuhat ni Junmar Fajardo ang San Miguel sa loob matapos magtala ng 27 points at 23 rebounds. Ngunit inamin ni Ross na kinapos ang suporta mula sa iba pang Beermen, lalo na sa shooting department. Binanggit niya na malaking salik ang hindi magandang tira ng kupunan mula sa labas at sa free throw line. Sa kabila ng dikit na laban, nabigo ang SMB na samantalahin ang mga libreng puntos kung saan maraming mintis ang nagbukas ng pinto para sa Ginebra na agawin ng huling momentum sa huling yugto.
Nothing. It's just take the same shots we've always took. I got confidence in my teammates. We all got confidence in each other. So it was just one of those nights where we couldn't get nothing to fall. Like, we didn't shoot well from the three. We didn't shoot well from the free throw line. I think we missed 16 free throws going into the fourth. I think we were 5 for 21. And we were up 2. So if we make our normal percentage, I think we have a double-digit lead going into the fourth. It's a different story, but we got to give credit to Ginebra. They played well. They had a good game plan. And that's what good teams do. They come ready in the series, and then it's our job to bounce back and try to even the series on Wednesday.
Gayunpaman, nagbigay rin ng credit si Ross sa Gene Kings na ayon sa kanya ay dumating sa serye na may malinaw na game plan at tamang adjustments, isang katangian ng mga koponang sanay sa malalim na playoff runs. Sa loob ng dugout, malinaw umano ang mensahe, manatili sa identidad ng koponan at magtiwala sa karanasan. Para kay Ross, napatunayan na ng San Miguel sa mga nagdaang conference na marunong itong bumangon tuwing natitisod.
Nothing, just sticking to what we do. I have faith in this team. Every time we've lost, we've bounced back. So last conference, this conference. Our talk was just starting another win streak. So we'll try to start that Wednesday, get some rest. Like I said, we shook the rust off, and we'll be back ready to play on Wednesday.
Habang papasok ang Game 2, itinuturing ito ng Beermen bilang pagkakataon para magsimula muli. Isang bagong panalo upang mabawi ang kontrol sa serye at may pakita na ang Game 1 ay hindi refleksyon ng kanilang tunay na laro. Sa gitna ng maagang pressure sa semifinals, nananatiling buo ang paniniwala ni Ross at ng San Miguel na ang tamang tugon, hindi emosyon, ang susi para maibalik ang balanse kontra sa Ginebra. Ako si Isaiah Mirafuentes, Abante Sports Now na!